Happy Thursday, guys. I hope everybody is doing well at home, whether you are AVL or you're one of my distance learners right now. Again, this is Mrs. Tucker. You should know me by now, but hey, still going to introduce myself. I want to go over today's assignment, Thursday, the 22nd. You're going to notice, guys, there's totally different things going on. I apologize to do that to you, but I wanted to put them together because sometimes when I put it as two different assignments, something gets missed. So when you log in and you go to your assignment, it's going to say virtual college presentation and TRF. Now, first, before I begin, please complete the attendance check-in first. Do that now if you haven't done it. Then come back, pause the video, go do it, then come back. All right, you're back? Awesome. Now, I know because of COVID and because of traveling and restrictions, one of the things we have not been able to do as avid students is go visit college campuses. By October 21st, we would have at least had one visit under our belt, if not two. And honestly, we will not be able to get to go visit any campuses anytime soon. I'm sorry to disappoint you. A lot of the colleges are not allowing extra people on campus, and then of course our school district is not. But that doesn't mean that we can't be creative. So I've already been in touch with two universities that they do virtual college presentations. So normally we would like to go to campuses, or we would have admissions people come here to our campus and do a presentation. Well, that's what this is going to be more like. They're going to do presentations about their colleges, but they will do it all virtually. So even my face-to-face kids, they're doing this virtually. So please watch the instruction video, which I'm doing right now, so it's not attached. There is important information about signing up for some upcoming virtual college presentations. So guys, normally this first one, and I know I apologize, I don't know how to fix this, why they both look the same. This first one should be your attendance check-in, and then the second one should be the virtual presentations. This form is to gather information from AVL students. So if you remember the assignment from yesterday, I told you that we were going to have a presentation by Upward Bound on Friday the 23rd. If you're AVL second period or third period, if you're available, I know there may be other reasons why you can't, you actually can join us second period or third period, because I know for a fact you don't have another class because you are on the avid schedule. Now, for those of you who are after school AVL, 8th period, 9th period, then they will actually do an after school presentation. Guys, that should be a little bit longer, not 5 minutes, I'm sorry. It's going to be probably, that should be 3:05. I'm so sorry. So 3:05 to 3:20, so like a 15-minute presentation. So if you would like to hear about Upward Bound, you would interested in knowing what they offer, what you have to do to apply, then tell me, yes, I'd like to attend during second, yes, or third, or after school, or no, sorry, Mrs. Tucker, just not going to attend. I can't make you attend, but I'm definitely going to give you the opportunity if you'd like to. All right, our next opportunity, guys, is going to be the Academy of Arts University in San Francisco, California. We are going to hear a presentation from them on Monday, the 26th. So all of my face-to-face kids, we will log into our computers each class period, the representative from the Academy of Arts University. And I know when you hear the word arts, you might kind of be tuned out if you don't draw. They offer a lot more than just drawing. Like they have information on gaming, game design, web design. So don't necessarily count them out if you don't feel that you're an art person. Now, so each of my class periods will log in, and then You guys, same thing like the Upward Bound, but this is going to be Monday. If you are second period and available, you can just log in second period. If you're third period AVL, third period, but I have asked them to do an after school presentation, 3:15 to 3:45. So about a 30-minute presentation, or no, you're not going to attend. We have another university, Texas A&M at Kingsville. They are actually going to present on Wednesday, the 28th. So these are going to be two presentations kind of back to back, Monday and then, well, Friday from Upward Bound, then Monday, then Wednesday. So Texas A&M Kingsville, again, it will be virtual. So all of my face-to-face kids are going to log into computer, hear a presentation, get to talk to the representative, ask them questions about their campus. If you're second period, you AVL, you can log in second period because Avid's on your schedule, third period, or again, I have asked them to do an after-school session from 3:15 to 3:45. Now, also know that some of you may have after school practice, band, etc. If you can't do after school and you're interested, I will record at least one of the presentations from each of these, and then I will put it online for you to get some information, or put I will not attend. Now, when you come back, so that is after watching the video, please answer the questions. Now, I know that you guys are not doing tutorials right now because you're virtual or you're distance, but your assignment today is to complete and fill out a TRF for a real problem you could use help with. If you don't remember how to fill out the new TRF, remember the resource section has sample completed TRFs. I am only grading you on the pre-work. So you will notice when you open the TRF, anything that's on the front, so you just need to make sure you put your name, you don't worry about anything, and you're going to start here with your topic. Then you're going to go to your question, academic, vocabulary, what you know. Then you're going to try to do some of your work, show us your work and your steps. Then you're going to write your point of confusion. Guys, with school just starting the new 9 weeks, I know not all of you may be lost or stuck. You can do this TRF if you have a quiz or a test coming up and you want to use it as a review. You can even complete a TRF over just something that your teacher has introduced as a new topic and you would like to practice that information. Again, I encourage you to come in, go to File, make a copy, and then where it says copy of, just change it to your first initial and your last name, and then you can even take all this off, guys. TRF, click OK, and then it'll make your new one. And again, guys, I'm going to ask you, please submit your TRF here on Google Classroom. Please reach out to me if you have questions. You will notice, I'm sorry, one last thing. I told you in a previous post that we would like to offer Avid virtual tutorials. So the same way, small group, presenting a question after school. Now, if you are second period or third period AVL and you'd like to log in on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we can create a system where we can have a computer where you can watch and see what's going on. And maybe you don't do it every Tuesday and Thursday, but maybe some Tuesdays or Thursdays, okay? Remember, it's asynchronous, so I can't make you, but that is an option if you're AVL second or third period, okay? Now, I will offer this. It's going to be after school, 3 to 3:40. We might not stay the whole time, but I just want to have a few minutes in case, extra minutes in case we have to talk. You will not have to show up every Tuesday and Thursday, but we would like to have juniors together, seniors together, sophomores together, freshmen together, and we do want you to get help from other Avid students and practice the Avid tutorial process. So I'm going to be putting a sign-in sheet by the end of this week to see who would like to have tutorials on Tuesday after school or Thursday after school next week, depending on the feedback that I get will determine if we actually have the tutorials. I will even invite face-to-face students to log in at home to potentially see some of you guys they haven't seen, get some extra help, anything like that. All right, now I'm done. Sorry about that, guys. I hope you have a fabulous Thursday. Don't forget, homecoming is Friday. Go Jackets, be positive, and support your school no matter what. Take care, guys. Bye.